Ever wondered what truly makes you tick? Let's explore the mind together. The mind is our thinking self, our mental self, our rational self. It's the part of us that processes data and turns it into information. It categorizes, sorts, investigates, and rationalizes. While it doesn't generate feelings or emotions, it can certainly connect to them. So what's the relationship between the brain and the mind? Think of the brain as the physical structure, the wiring. The mind is the electrical flow through that wiring, shaping patterns and behaviors that can even rewire the brain itself. The mind is like the sun, bringing light into our inner world, but a troubled mind can also bring confusion and chaos, creating fears and doubts. Learning to use our spirit can help ease the mind when needed. Stay tuned for more insights on your journey inward. Until next time, take care of your mind.